The M1 MacBook Air is finally here. It's almost rhyming. After being unsure for last 2 months and visiting Apple stores across the city, I finally made up my mind to buy this device. I thought it's time to finally take a walk on the other side of the road as for long I have been a Windows user. Don't get me wrong over here, I've used Mac OS for quite some time in the previous years, but those devices were sponsored by my companies. This is the first time I'm buying a Mac for myself, and I thought I should be sharing this experience with you guys as well. I'll be creating a 4 video series for you guys. The first video that you are watching right now is the unboxing video. This will be followed up by a first impression video, and we'll be going for a full review after a month of usage, and probably after 2 months or so I can make a comparison video for you guys where I'll be comparing the MacBook Air M1 chip with my previous Windows laptop, which was a Lenovo IdeaPad 530S. So it's still a powerful chip. It's got a 8th gen i5 processor, and till date it works fine, but I had some issues with it. That's why I planned of upgrading to the M1 Mac. My name is Anubhav. You're watching Gadgets 101. Let's get the show started. So guys, let's get down to it and let's start with the unboxing of this device. So getting this device is very hectic. I visited 6 Apple stores in my city, and I've been on the wait list for quite some time, but getting the device is a real hassle. And if you see the Apple online store, for this particular device you are having at least 2 to 3 weeks of wait time, and that's why I finally decided to order it from the Apple store. It's a good thing that in India they have started with the Apple store. Okay, this is our device. Let's get this box. Here you go, guys. On the looks of it, it's a very simple packaging. That's how Apple brands its product. A white box with the minimalistic Apple logo and just the overview of the product that's inside it. If you buy the Pro version, you'll get the whole feature of the laptop, and it's open. That's the only differentiation on the packaging that I can see. And as you can see, it's an 8 GB version. It's the base model. It's got 8 core of CPU, 7 core GPU, and 256 GB of base storage. So guys, just so you know, this takes 2 to 3 weeks to get shipped to your location. You can check on the Apple website and you can put in your PIN delivery code. As far as the whole delivery process is concerned, it is handled by Blue Dart. In my current location, Blue Dart is not a very good courier service, and we have had our shares of issues with Blue Dart in the past, and that's what happened for this device as well. Many times they said that it's going to be delivered today, but it didn't get delivered then. It's a mess. So I'll suggest if you are having an Apple store and they are having this MacBook available, purchase through that. Otherwise, this is the last resort that you should take of ordering online. As far as Apple Store is concerned, the process is really simple. You just go on their website, select the base model, select the color that you want, and just place your order. You can pay online, or you can pay via credit card on delivery. It has to be a credit card. Debit cards won't work on this one. So now let's open this puppy up. We have the pull tabs now. This is the new branding style that Apple has taken. You don't need any scissors to unbox it. I think it kills the essence of whole unboxing experience, but nonetheless, let's get done with the wrapper. Okay. This takes a lot of time. This takes a hefty amount of time to get the lid open. But okay, we finally have the lid off. This is the space gray edition that I have gone for. We have the laptop, the MacBook itself. I must be shunned by the Apple fanboys now. Other than that, we have the charging cable. This is a 2-meter cable, and if you want a separate cable, you can buy through the Apple website. It can be a 1-meter cable, 2-meter cable. I think the 2-meter cable, this cable, it retails at around 3,500 rupees. Other than that, we have our the regulars in form of the Apple paperwork. I think there has to be a sticker inside as well, some instructions for the Mac to get started, energy ratings, warranty. What do we have here? Yes, we have the stickers as well. So guys, fun thing about the stickers, they always match the color of the laptop or the MacBook that you buy. So I went for the space gray, hence the color of the stickers is space gray. If you would have taken a gold MacBook, it would have been gold in color. So that's one thing. I don't know what people do with the Apple stickers. Do comment down below in the comment section. What do you do, guys, with this? My Apple stickers, they usually lie around, and whenever I sell the device, I sell it along with them. And we have the charging brick, and this is a 30-watt brick. So guys, fun fact, if you are going to buy the Pro version of MacBook, you will be getting a 65-watt charger, and both those chargers, actually both the MacBooks, they support the fast charging. But I don't know why with the MacBook Air they give the 30-watt charger. But in any case, I'm having a 30-watt charger of OnePlus Nord. I'm having a 65-watt charger of the OnePlus 8T, and you can actually use the 65-watt charger to power the MacBook, because the power delivery from that 65-watt charger would be around 45 watts. That's a drop in 15 watts, but still it'll be 15 watts faster than this, and that's why it'll charge your MacBook very quickly. So that's all, guys. This is the video that we are having for the unboxing experience. Let me just open this casing for you guys, and probably I'll get back to you in the first impression video how this device actually is and how it performed, and all the details would be shared in that video. So stick around, guys. Thanks for following. If you have not followed, please do follow. A sub would be really great. Till then, peace out.